Hi everyone, so down in Elche Park today. What I originally wanted to film has all gone. Yeah, I wanted to film all the Fiesta stores. I did sort of do a film of them, but they weren't fully open yet, and yeah, now they're gone, sadly. I think there could still potentially be one, whether it's open and whether it's the one I like, whole nother story, but yeah. So, of course, the Fiesta stores down here, they've had a bit of trouble with all the bad weather, so you would have thought they'd maybe stayed a bit longer, but no, they're gone. Ponente Beach there, unbelievably not looking too damaged from the storm. I'm surprised by that. I am really surprised by that. I thought it would have got a bit damaged, but I think it's probably a lot more sort of prepared for storm conditions, whereas like Lefante Beach, not really. Funnily enough, like the amount of floods that we've had in Benidorm over the years, and yet still no real sort of stuff to not stop them has been done. You'd have thought that maybe something to at least ease up the water, maybe? No. Maybe better drainage systems to sort of stop the drains overflowing? Nope. Maybe a bit of like sort of flood defence to stop Lefante Beach or Le Cala Beach or Le Cala Finisterre Beach from being demolished? Nope. I will say one thing, over the years of living in Benidorm, from holidaying here to now living here, yeah, I think Benidorm's slowly giving up on itself, sadly. I really do. Still dirty. Oh, wrong way. There I am. There we are, I mean. Still looks like the beach ain't too worse off. Some people out. Apparently there were people out the other day when we had the storms. Even the day after. I think the boat trips are still on. I'm not too sure. But yeah. You can of course see the police tape though, where they've had to like tape the beach off to stop people going on it, like. To be fair, I think the whole of Elche Park was shut off as well for when we had this storm. Looks like an injured dove there, maybe? Oh, no, maybe, I don't know. Has he hurt his wing or something? I don't know, he looks fine, I think. He does seem to have the one wing lowered down a bit, so maybe he's injured his wing, poor thing. Looks quite nice today. I will say though, probably might be in for another drop of rain later. Not as bad as we have had, but probably just a sort of drizzle, like an autumn drizzle type thing. Hotel H10 Porto Ponente coming into view now. Great hotel apparently, guys. Of course, the view of the Benidorm skyline across Ponente side. Now, I did learn the name of that hotel down the end that lights up, and of course I forgot it. I think it was like Hotel Trebalo, I think it was. I can't even remember. So, you remember that I said that hotel down bottom they called that lights up?
No.
Ah. Pretty sure someone will probably tell me, because I've completely forgot about it, but apparently it always lights up. It's been doing like the different sort of light up balcony designs for ages apparently. And apparently it is quite a popular hotel, even though, unbelievably, it's quite a way out of Benidorm. I mean, it is funny though, you do always hear of people booking like the Bali or a hotel down in that area. Then the question on their mind is, how long does it take to get to the strip? Probably about an hour, I think. Could be wrong, but I mean it's got a way out from the strip. Flip you on, show you the few bars on here. All done on the anti-seafront, there are tons of nice bars. Ooh. Who heard that?
Smell of weed.
Well, where's it coming from? Oh, smell of dope. Well, they say it, you don't have to smoke dope to get high in Benidorm. Just go for a walk or stick your head out your window. You'll be high as a kite in no time. Hotel Marconi there. Then what I think I'm gonna do is cross over. And I'll show you something not many people know. So I'm gonna cut off up this little tiny alley here. Yeah, and show you something not many people know in Benidorm, or I'll probably say locals know it, maybe the odd few tourists, like people who do like to explore, go off the beaten track, but yeah, hang on. Right, so we have Corona del Mar there, Villa del Mar there, Ponente Beach there, 3:05 and 28 degrees. Not bad at all. So right, anyway, back to what I was saying. So you come past Corona del Mar, come past that. Then zoom in just a bit. This little square area here, right here, that is basically the modern cemetery, as I call it, the more used cemetery nowadays. Then up this hill here, that like sort of loops up and round, up there is the 19th century cemetery, which yeah, creepiest area we've been. And I will say as well, the picture that were taken during that video, where you see the face clear as day on one of the headstones there, yeah, you can still see it clear as day. Like, every time I look at it, zoom in on it, and I'm like, yep, still there. I won't tire, my mind won't playing tricks on me, yada yada yada. Anyway, hit the like, hit subscribe, and as always, it's another day in the office, it's another day in paradise. Adios.